This is the tutorial on how to work with stock request on RenalGenie. But before that, do not forget to like our YouTube channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Before we further dive into the details for stock request, the user with system tenant roles must ensure that the centralized purchasing configuration has been enabled. Part 1. View the list of stock request and its details. To begin, go to the Inventory module by clicking on the Inventory button at the top menu bar. Next, click on Stocks and then Stock Request from the sidebar. On the Stock Request page, user may see all the stock request records generated. User may click on this arrow to expand and see the stock request details. Part 2. Add, edit and delete stock request. Click on the plus icon to add a new stock request record. On the stock request detail page, user may specify their comments if there is any, and proceed with selecting the item that the user would like to include in the stock request. At the item type column, search the required item and specify the request quantity. Click Add Item to Stock Request List. Repeat the same steps for all the other items user would like to include in the stock request. Once done, click Save to save the stock request record. And the system prompt a message that the stock request has been added successfully. User may see that the new stock request record has been added to the list in the draft status. To edit and delete stock request, user may click on this arrow to expand and see the stock request details. To edit, click on the Edit button, and the system will redirect user to the stock request details page again. User may proceed to do the necessary editing, and once done, click on the Save button to save the changes or click Cancel to cancel the editing. Upon successful operation, system prompt a message that stock request has been changed. To delete stock request, click on Delete button and system prompt out a confirmation window. Click Delete to proceed with deleting the stock request, otherwise click Cancel to cancel the deletion. Upon a successful delete operation, system prompt a message that the stock request been deleted. Part 3. Approve stock request. To approve stock request, click on Approve button and the system will prompt a confirmation window. Click on Approve to proceed with stock request approval or click Cancel. Upon successful operation, the system prompt a message that the stock request has been approved, and the status of the stock request has been updated to approved status. Thank you for watching.